Hello students, I am Manoj Kundare, the Assistant Professor of Electronic Science. Welcome back to our e-learning platform. In previous video, we have seen the concept of the decoder and its types. The link of the previous video is available in the description box. Please check it. Now, in this video, we are going to see the concept of the digital comparator. The digital comparator is a combinational circuit designed to compare the two n-bit binary words applied at its input. That means the comparator is a combinational circuit which is used to compare its inputs. Okay. That comparator has the three outputs, namely a greater than b, a equal to b, and a less than b. Depending upon the result of the comparison, the one of these outputs goes high. That means if the two inputs A and B is given to the comparator circuit, then if A greater than B, then this output is 1. If A is equal to B, then this output is 1, and if A is less than B, then this output is 1. Okay, I hope you all understand the basic idea about the comparator. Now let's see the first one, the 1 bit magnitude comparator. The 1 bit magnitude comparator means it compares the two numbers A and B which is made up of only 1 bit. Okay, a comparator used to compare two single bit are called as 1 bit comparator. It consists of two inputs, each of two single bit numbers, and three outputs, generate less than, equal to, and greater than between two binary numbers. That means here there are two 1 bit numbers A and B, and the output of the comparator is A greater than B, A equal to B, and A less than B. Here is the truth table and the logic expression for the 1 bit magnitude comparator. There are two inputs and three outputs. The inputs are A and B, and the possible combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1. Here let's see, in first case A equal to 0 and B equal to 0. That means here both having value 0. That means here we get A equal to B, hence A equal to B is 1. In next case, A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. A equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. Here A is less than B, hence this output is 1. Similarly, in next case, A has the value 1 and B has the value 0, hence here A is greater than B. Here A is greater than B, hence this output is 1. In last case, that means in this case, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. That means A is equal to B, hence we get A equal to B 1. I hope you all understand how to draw the truth table for the 1 bit magnitude comparator. Now let's draw K-map for A less than B. Here we can draw the K-map for A less than B by using the K-map of two variables. Here we get the one when A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. It means A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. We get this one, and we get the equation according to this: A bar into B. Similarly, for A equal to B, we get the K-map like this, and we get the equation A bar B bar plus AB, that means A x nor B. And for this A greater than B, we get the equation A B bar. I hope you all understand how to find the equations here. Now, according to this equation, we can draw the logic diagram. That means for A less than B, we get the equation A bar into B. That means A bar into B. Here we get A bar into B. For A equal to B, we get the equation A x nor B. Hence we put x nor gate. For A greater than B, we get the equation A into B bar. That means A into the B bar. Here we get connect not gate, and at this point we get B bar, hence we get here A greater than B. Similarly, we can design the 2-bit magnitude comparator circuit. Here the only difference is that the input numbers A and B each of made up of 2 bits, A0 and A1, B0 and B1. The outputs are same, A greater than B, A equal to B and A less than B. Here is the truth table for these 2-bit magnitude comparator. There are two inputs A and B. A is made up of A0 and A1. B is made up of B0 and B1. The first number is A equal to 0 0 and B equal to 0 0. Here both having value same, hence we get here A equal to B, hence A equal to B is 1. In next case, that means in this case, here A has the value 0 0 and B has the value 0 1. In this case, we can see here that B is greater than A or A is less than B. A is less than B, hence we get 1 here. Similarly, we can draw all the truth table. Let's consider this situation. A has the value 1 0 and B has the value 1 1. That means here A is less than B, because we know that 1 0 is 2 and 1 1 is 3. Hence we get A is less than B, hence A is less than B. Let's see another case here. Consider this case. A has the value 1 1, B has the value 1 0. Here A is greater than B, hence A is greater than B is equal to 1. Depending upon this truth table, we can find the K-map for A greater than B, A equal to B and A less than B. Here for A greater than B, we draw a K-map and we get here one chord and two pairs like this. And depending upon this K-map, we get the equation here. Similarly, we can find the equation for A equal to B and equation for the A less than B like this. Then after getting the equation, we can draw the logic diagram for A less than B, A equal to B and A greater than B. Here we are not explaining all the K-maps because we already learned about the K-maps in our previous videos and we can simplify any K-map. So we are just overlook it and gets at the last stage of the video. I hope you all understand the 1-bit magnitude comparator and 2-bit magnitude comparator here. Thank you.